So in this video, we're going to look at how we can convert fractions into decimals, and the result of converting these two into decimals will result in a terminating decimal, and you'll see what that is in a moment. Now, 3/4 we should probably already be able to identify as 0.75, so we know what the answer should be. So in order to convert it, the process that you go through is to divide the top by the bottom, the numerator by the denominator. So 3 divided by 4. And I'm going to use short division to do that. So 4's into 3 go 0 with remainder 3. So we're going to have to bring in a decimal point and 0. 4's into 30 go 7. 7 4's are 28. So there's 2 remainder, bring in a 0. 4's into 20 go 5. So 0.75 as we expected. Now this is a terminating decimal because it just stops there. The only numbers that can be written to the right are zeros, so trailing zeros, and we don't need to write those in. So that's why we refer to that as a terminating decimal. If there were any other values other than 0 to the right, then it wouldn't be necessarily terminating. If it just kept on going 0.75, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, forever, that's a recurring decimal. But if it was 0.75, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, then it terminates there. Okay? So that's why what we mean by a terminating as opposed to a recurring decimal. 1/25, we'll do the same thing. We will divide 1 by 25. 25 goes into 1 0 times with remainder 1. So we have to bring in a decimal point and a 0. 25 goes into 10 0 times with remainder 10. So bring in a 0. 25's into 100 go 4. With remainder 0. So it terminates there. And so 1/25 is 0.04. And so that is how we can convert a fraction into a decimal, and the results here are both terminating decimals.